Till, when it comes to higher education institutions, what are the challenges they're facing today?
Well, the market of higher education is highly fragmented and regionalized, so there's not really a one-fits-all answer on that. Today, universities are expected to deliver value to society, to environment, through research and education. At the same time, they are included in a very competitive situation and environment on a global hunt for students coming to the campus. That campus, you could imagine like a conglomerate of complex building structures, being the core buildings for education and learning and research, but also connected to areas for sports, for leisure, for shopping, for food services. So that all needs to be playing together and being backed by a very sound and sustainable infrastructure.
So it's almost a mini city, for want of a better word.
We can relate it to that, yes, exactly, which is bigger or smaller, depending, of course, on the region, the campus, and on the customer, and so on. Speaking of challenges, I see 4 major challenges. The first one is really to attract students to the campus through student satisfaction, productivity, and an on-campus experience. The second one being sustainability. So how does the campus reduce the greenhouse gas emissions? How do they contribute to decarbonize the world, in their own world, but also doing research towards other third parties? The third one being, of course, the economics, right? You need to dramatically lower the operational costs of a campus today. Be that in building management, in getting electricity, in energy management, and maintenance of the whole campus infrastructure. And the fourth one is more or less an overlapping layer, is the transformation towards a smart and truly digital campus, being connected to assets, being connected to data that you gather from the campus.
Okay. So where does Siemens Smart Infrastructure fit into this? How can they help higher education institutions?
Well, it starts with listening to the customer and knowing these challenges in detail. And then we really want to create an environment for study and research that is fitting best the students' experiences, meaning safe, comfortable, and secure, and also focus on the human at the university campus and enabling student satisfaction then and student binding for the campus. For that, for sustainability, I mean that's core of the Siemens DNA anyways. There we start from consultative approaches. So how do you get sustainable at the campus? What do you need to install? How do you manage that? How is the energy flow? All the way to managing that as a service. So to really also focus on the sustainable business for a campus.
Okay. Now, I had the opportunity to visit the University of Birmingham campus in Dubai, and they explained to us what they were doing in the University of Birmingham and out in their campus in Dubai. And what I was found fascinating was that all the technology and all the cool stuff they had, but it was how they engaged the students to actually use that, which was, I found that eye-opening.
That is a very cool case, and that's also a strong pillar where we talk about making that campus smart. Means nothing else than installing a smart sensor, getting data from whatever you need, from people movements, from temperature, from air quality, and getting this as a data in a homologated cloud, and having the students and the researchers access that cloud enables them to have a living lab. So using that digital core to really enrich their study results with real-time data they use. Think about environmental studies, IoT studies, and that is a big advantage for universities and also then of course for research results to environment and society.
Okay, and if I may to build on that, I'm a technology guy, so I find all the technology and the way you can do what's cool. But how do you then measure the impact?
Well, the impact, what we do is, regarding these challenges and objectives the customer has, we go back and tailor our Siemens-wide portfolio to the needs for university campuses.
Okay.
Tailoring means we go out, think in use cases, what helps the customer, go back and industrialize and standardize these use cases, so we could really end-to-end deliver that, and also scale. Scaling in that term means we could offer that to bigger universities, but also to smaller clients, so that the profit is spread in a scalable, industrialized solution. So another thing that separates us from the competition and other market players is that we also focus and foster partnerships with universities. Okay. We are ourselves a source for innovation, for open co-creation with universities and third parties. And we are very open in our ecosystem. We have that Siemens Accelerator strategy going on, where we also say we are open technology-wise, but also when it comes to partnering. So the university could and is playing a big part for us when it comes to sparing, co-researching, and really finding technology solutions for our applications in the market.
Okay. Hey, good stuff. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Kevin.